eggs. Look, I ain't even gonna front. Like, I boiled me some eggs because I'm trying to stay on track. And my car straight smell like a gazillion farts. Like a gazillion farts right now. And I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I should have just brought the two that I was gonna eat and put them in a Ziploc bag and it would be done. But it straight smell like a gazillion farts. No joke. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So listen, for my weekend bonus, I need 10 offers for $5. I was super stoked about this. Should be so freaking easy to do. Again, with that larger bonus, y'all, I'm not too positive about hitting that. Like, I don't think I'm gonna hit that. I'm not even trying to hit that. Again, I'm lucky if I can hit my bonuses, my regular weekend midweek bonuses, right? And so with that being said, I'm gonna head to Walmart first, knock out a few deals. I have to go to Target anyway, so I'm gonna see what kind of deals I can work there. And so other than that, what else? Quite a few of you guys have been asking me about Walmart rewards. Well, too. And so I'll link my most recent Walmart reward video in the description, but basically Walmart rewards is Walmart's reward system. It's powered by Ibotta, so they have the identical offers, just the values may be different, so definitely always check first. Once you have activated an offer for Walmart rewards, you can't unclip it. And basically when you pay, in order to redeem an offer, you clip it first and you pay using Walmart Pay. All right. And so, but I'll link the video in the description. Other than that, we're going to head to Walmart first. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab if you want to see what your girl got you know to do. Keep on watching.
All right. Of course, it's the Rockstar again. So with this deal, I have a lot of referrals because a few of you guys have asked. I have a lot of referrals I'm trying to run through. That's why I've been doing it so many times. So we're going to grab this deal again. They're priced at $188. Two is going to be $376, getting back $5 through aisles. There's also 75 cents for each on Ibotta. Makes them both free plus a $2.74 moneymaker. Now, I also went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart rewards as well. So this next deal is on the Best Foods mayo. I'm not going to do this deal because I still have a crap load of mail at home. And so they are priced at $5.98. For this, you want to grab two. I have a couple of these hang tags we found a few weeks ago. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $6.96. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Fetch Reward for buying two, bringing them down to $1.48 each. All right, just a reminder about this deal on the cow rolls. Medium grain rice. I did try this earlier this week. It's not bad, but it's sticky rice, so just keep that in mind. I'm not a big fan of sticky rice, but it's something that I feel like once I go through all my other rice, I would probably grab it. And so it's priced at $6.58. Now I know some of you guys said you don't have it on your Shopkick offers. I would say try changing your location and see if you can find it that way. I know that some of the deals on Shopkick are not available at all locations. And so you're grabbing one at $6.58 and you're getting back 1,265 buy-in scan kicks, which is $5.06, makes it $1.52 each, which is not bad because I don't know if y'all can really tell. This is a pretty big bag of rice. So next up is the Keebler pie crust. These are priced at $3.12. For this, you want to grab two of them. You'll pay $6.24. Getting back $5 onto DOT for buying two. There's also 255 kicks or $1.02 times two back on Shopkick, making them both free plus an 80-cent moneymaker. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm at a dilemma here. I really truly am. Like, do I buy more even though I already have a ton at home? I just pass on this deal. I low-key want to get it anyways because, I mean, it's good till like, what, 2025, 2026, 2027. God, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it again. It's on the Maple Grove Farms sugar-free syrup, priced at $3.34. For this, you want to grab a total of two of them. You'll pay $6.68, getting back $4 onto that. There's also a total of $3 on checkout 51. And then last but not least, we've got 290 kicks or $1.16 on Shopkick. Makes them only 2 cents for the two, or 1 penny each. Now, I'm not really sure if I'll get Shopkick because last time I did, submit the receipt, it didn't go through. So even without Shopkick, it makes it 118. I got some more offers on Flavor Wiki. I'm not gonna do them. You already know why I'm not. All right. Now, one of you guys did leave a comment saying that they have given the option to skip the video. So far on mine, it still is requiring the video. And so I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to share it with those of you who, I mean, if there's something you're going to buy anyways, then knock yourself out. All right. So the first thing is on the Great Value tortilla chips. It has to be the 12 ounce, but I only see it in the 13 ounce. So I'm not sure if it's going to work. But they're priced at $198, getting back $267, makes that a 69-cent moneymaker. The other one is the barbecue chips, which it has to be the 7.75 one, which is priced at $150, getting back $267, makes it a $1.17 moneymaker. And then you're grabbing what else? The potato chip, the original ones. I think it's this one right here. Is it? Actually, I think it has to be the original 8 ounce. This is 7.75. I assume that will work. All right. It's priced at $150, getting back $267. Will make that $1.20 moneymaker. The other chip that I had was the Mission ones, which I don't think my area carries the Mission tortilla chips. So next up is the Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips. They are priced at $3.94. And the offer on Shopkick is $650, or well, $660 buy-in scan kicks, which is $264. It will bring that down to $1.30. I was seeing if they had any of the other flavors. There's like 4 different flavors that you can get. And so, yeah. Next up is the Pop Culture soda. It's priced at, oh, they have one that's priced at $188. Or $197. Getting back 40 cents on Ibotta. There's also a free offer on aisles. I'll have a link in the description, making this a 40-cent moneymaker. Now, real quick, this is right here on this little aisle, right next to the mixed drinks and stuff. I was looking on the soda aisle and the water aisle, and it was a no-go over there. But this is where it is. Okay. Next up is the C4. This is on the little packets, the 8-count packets. They're priced at $6.28. This just popped up as a BOGO offer on Ibotta. We also have BOGO offer on aisles as well. And earlier this week, they sent me a text that when I redeem this offer, I'll get an extra $1.50, which I've noticed that aisles, they have been doing that lately, offering bonuses and stuff, which is really cool. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. Again, priced at $6.28. We'll pay $12.56. We'll get back $6.28 through Ibotta, and then I'll also get back $6.28 plus a $1.50 bonus on aisles, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Glade air fresheners. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal again. They're priced at $2.28. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes this only 78 cents, limit of 5 aisle, because the other aisles are completely crowded. But this deal is on the Mercy. I went ahead and grabbed one of them priced at $6.96. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, 340 points on my points, which is $2.12, and then $2 on checkoff at the one, making it only 84 cents. So this deal here is on the Colgate Cavity Kits. It's priced at $128. As you can see, they don't have any. So this is working for the deal on the sister apps. It's buy 2, but I grabbed 4. Paid $5.12, got back $4 on inbox dollars, makes them 28 cents each. All right, so this last deal is on the Bellway Super Fiber. I saw Michelle post this on our community tab. It's an aisles offer. It's buy one, get one free. These are the 2 flavors they have. They're priced at $18.88. I'm getting that back via aisles. And then you might still have an offer on Ibotta for $5, which should make this a $5 moneymaker, but I've already done that already. And so it'll just be free for me. All right, so we are at Target. I wanted to grab this deal. I figured it was easy. It's on the Solely organic fruit jerkies. They are priced at 3 for $4 this week. So you'll grab 3 of them, getting back 75 cents for each on Ibotta. I also had a 10-cent any dry fruit that also applied, bringing them down to only 54 cents each. All right, so next up is the Diana's birthday cake bananas. I really want to try these. I absolutely love the last ones that I got. And so this is a social nature offer. It's priced at $7.59. Getting that back makes this absolutely free.
All right, next up is the Happy Coffee. I definitely wanted to grab this deal again. Now, the Target Circle is good to the 28th, so I'm hoping that this continues to reset on Ibotta. This is the second time I've done it, so the price at $2.99, use $1 digital. You'll pay $1.99 getting back to one Ibotta with a limit of 3, making them all absolutely free. All right, so next up is the Health Nut Dressings. This just popped up on aisles, and it's also $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, so the last deal at Target is on the Afrin. I did see Savannah on Instagram post this deal, and so you want to grab 2, price at $8.39. There's a 20% off Target Circle. There's also a $3 digital as well. You'll pay $11.42 out of pocket, getting back a $5 Target gift card. There's also $3 back on checkoff if you want for buying one. 1,190 points on my points, which is 743. That one did go into review, and it cleared for me this morning. And then last but not least, we have 405 kicks on Shopkick, which is 162. That one, I also had to put a ticket in, and I did get that back this morning as well, making them both free plus a $5.63 moneymaker. All right, so we're going to go over a few freebies over at Vons, which is a Safeway affiliate. The first one is on Clearly Canadian. I saw Sister Save You Since post this a while back. I'm barely getting around to doing it. It's priced at $2, getting that back through aisles. The household cleaner refills, the Cleanery packets, these are priced at $5.99. This is a Social Nature freebie. The Zoe, I think that's how you pronounce it, is priced at $2.50, and there's a free offer through the app. And then I'm also grabbing the Rockstars there as well. They're $1.49 when you buy 4. You'll pay $5.96, get back 5 via aisles. There's also 75 cents for each on Ibotta, making them a $2.04 moneymaker. Now with Ibotta, I've noticed when they're all the same flavor and they just put that where they just scan it one time and they put the total. I usually have to put a ticket in for that, but I find that if I get different flavors, I don't have that problem. And so other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So look, it's like the next morning. I was really trying to get this video edited and done yesterday so that it could be up first thing this morning, but the later it got, the more mistakes I made. And so here we are. I'm doing the outro the next day. All right, so listen, everything here worked out really good. As you can see, I have a lot of Rockstar. I did once at a Dollar Tree, which is the far right. I did 3 sets of 4 at Vons, since they're $1.49 when you buy 4. And then I did it 5 times at Walmart, 5 times at Target, and I think it was 5 or 6 times at Food for Less. And so I think I still have like 23 or 24 more redemptions left. And so yeah, other than that, everything else worked out. I didn't mention the Walmart bathroom tissue. I just grabbed this. It was 10 cents back. It's like 99 cents, I think. So I went ahead and grabbed that. What else did I not mention in the video? I think I may have mentioned everything else. This is a ton of aisles offers. All of the Rockstars are aisles. The Health Nut Dressing at Target was aisles. The Bellway, the C4, which I'm excited about. The Clearly Canadian. And what else? And that was it. I think that was it. And so everything has gone through except what? Actually, the Super Fiber went through already yesterday. The C4 went through yesterday. I got the $1.50 bonus, which was awesome. The Social Nature, the bananas, and what else? And the Cleanery is still pending. But yeah, other than that, everything else worked out really good. I had this freebie on the Zoa. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a freebie this week at Vons, so I'll probably see if I can grab it on my other accounts as well. And that's it. All right, so these are all my receipts, which is I have a clutter of receipts, a lot of receipts. And so with that being said,
Everything you see here retails $178.98. We had 1086 in coupons or digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $168.12. Our sales tax was $10.61. And then getting back $128.95 from aisles. Ibotta was $33.93. Social Nature $13.58. My Points $9.36. Swagbucks was $5. Checkout 51 was $5. We had a Target gift card for $5, which I just wrote that back. I split my transactions at Target, and I rolled the gift card into the second one. Walmart Rewards was $4.50, and last but not least was Shopkick at $2.64. Getting back a total of $208.16, making everything you see here free plus a $40.04 moneymaker. After tax, we still make $30, which is really cool. And so other than that, what's our emoji bug?
Donut.
Huh?
Donut.
A donut. A donut, yeah, because I got us a couple donuts from the donut shop after I left the gym. That's the fat girl in me. But I just got one. No, that wasn't the fat girl in me. The fat girl in me would have ordered a half dozen. But I didn't. I only ordered 2. One for me and one for Josiah. And he just started eating donuts like literally last week. And so I got him one. So if you get to the end, we want to see donut emojis. Other than that, what was your favorite deal? My favorite deal is always the deals that are making me money. Like, hello, I did the happy again. I'm hoping that that one keeps resetting on Ibotta because I'm going to do it again tomorrow if it resets since it's free. I love all the money makers that we can get. I love the freaking super fiber because as y'all know, I freaking use that, and to get it for free, I'm sold. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.